a vintage design AM/FM radio. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Crosley AM/FM radio. This has a vintage design with your basic radio features. I was able to pick this up at a local store, and it is also available online. You can purchase it for around $40. I have the link in the description below, so let's take a look at it. The radio came with a manual, aux cable, and a power adapter which I already plugged in. It has a smooth wood finish all around. For the controls, you have the volume, tune indicator, power indicator, and adjustments for on, off, AM/FM, and the aux. To change the stations, you just have to turn this dial. The knob has some good resistance, and it is not loose at all. It feels very solid. The station markings are clearly marked all around. The bottom has 4 rubber feet to provide stability. On the back, you have the aux port, headphone jack, the power port, and the antenna. Let's see how the radio sounds.
Gray ghost dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care.
Wellness at every level, mental well-being, physical well-being.
The Crosley AM/FM radio. If you are on a budget and looking for a simple radio with decent sound, this radio will do the job. It would go well in a small room, a bookshelf, nightstand, or a counter. It also has an attractive vintage design. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.